Yeah, this is Jai Jai eating some durian. Yeah, like it, Jai. Delicious. Yummy.
Say yummy.
Delicious?
Yummy.
Wow, Wonder Boy. This is Jaira Alforque eating some durian. I don't know if this is his first time, but yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy? You think it's yummy, Jai? What's that? Gina, you eat na your durian. That is durian. Look at that durian. Love it. Love it. Wait. Papa is eating too. Wow. Yes. Durian here in Davao. Quiet hand. See? Sarap.
Lami ako.
Lami ako. It's not smells bad, but it smells good. Delicious, Jai?
Ulit na.
Marami pa.
So ano ba dan? Wow. Finger looking good. Jai? This is good for you, Nak. Let's get some, huh? Love it? Jai. Say something, Papa.
Sarap. Yum.
What do you say, Jai? Another one. Got to get some. We are the Durian family. Jai! What's that? I thought it's durian. This is my third. Check ng listohan.
Wait pa!
Sid. Third.
After you eat this, you may use this pulp. I know it's not a pulp. This fruit as a lupa.